check out my room. Wow. It's amazing, right? So we have nice bathroom over here. And that's me, of course. That's also me. So that's the hallway. And then we have a nice kitchen that I used to make salads and some breakfast. Double bed, only for me. Nice TV with Chromecast that I cast some YouTube videos. Excellent storage here for everything. Here there is a nice sofa, but the best part is of course this beauty, the balcony, and of course the view. I mean, this is probably one of the top 3 views I have had in hotel. I must say I had slightly better one in Playa del Cura, Ocean Beach Club. I was basically 10 meters away from the sea then, and I was seeing only water. Now I see here also people by the pool. And yeah, that's the room with wonderful sea view. Yes, it's perfect. That's my crib for the week here in Alcudia. And yeah, enjoy this wonderful view of the Mediterranean Sea from a balcony at Sunwing Alcudia Beach Hotel.